Data transfer complete.
Hello everyone, hope everything is going well. We have James asking if there is a way to send visitor information from SalesIQ to Zoho Creator. So today we're going to try to see if we can actually accomplish that for James. And let's see if we go to Zoho Flow. I mean, for those who are not aware what Zoho Flow is, Zoho Flow is pretty much the equivalent of Zapier. It allows you to connect applications, fairly easy with just like a drag and drop and connecting arrows like on a diagram flow, and automate all kind of processes. You can bring apps together pretty much. Through Zoho Flow, you can connect Gmail with CRM, Trello, Todesk, Creator with Asana, and back and forth, and so on. And today we're going to see if we can utilize Zoho SalesIQ. So SalesIQ, it is available. So let's see what we can do here. According to this, the triggers when a conversation is rated, when a conversation is missed, or when a conversation is created. So on any of these actions, we can actually create a trigger, which could be, push a record to creator. So in theory, I believe we can do it. Associate operators to department, send message to latest conversation, create an article, okay, or update operator status. Okay, so these are actions within SalesIQ. This is what you can do within SalesIQ, and we can trigger, let's say a conversation is created. So let's see, let's create our own workflow. So let's see, Zoho SalesIQ to Zoho Creator. This is going to be a test. We're going to put it under Creator Scripts. Actually, let's do a new folder called Test. Placed under Home. Okay, and yeah, so this is just to answer the big question. Can we connect Zoho SalesIQ to Zoho Creator? Connect / send data, right? If I go back to the email, let's see, James, then send visitor information from SalesIQ to Zoho Creator. Okay, so let's see, create. So it is the visitor information. So maybe he's talking about, a location. But okay, so this is, let's see. I need to pause this video for a second, guys. Okay, so let's see. We can skip the introduction, but for those who are not aware, you can walk through all this introduction to see how Zoho Flow works. But then, okay, what trigger we're gonna go with? So, ladies at it. Okay, so we want to configure a trigger on an app, yeah, and we want to start with Zoho SalesIQ, which is here. It's going to be our trigger. We click next. So let's just say when a conversation is completed. Okay, so let's see what's available. Okay, and then we want to connect this connection name, Zoho SalesIQ, all triggers and actions. Yeah, let's bring them all so that we know what's available. I'm going to accept this. The trigger here. Let's see, what portal can we use here? Let's just use that one. Okay, choose. Okay, creator scripts, filter criteria. In here, you can actually add a specific criteria for, like look at this. Yeah, the visit, the end time. I believe we're going to be able to bring every information about the visitor: website ID, phone number, visitor email, status, owner. Yeah, you can use Zoho Flow to push that, but I'm gonna leave it open, no criteria here, so that we bring everything on. So now that this is connected, now I need to bring let's see, Zoho Creator. You are going to bring Zoho Creator, and then from when a conversation is completed, you just drag this, create a record. And then this is going to allow you to map, you choose your application. I mean, you're going to have to create an application that matches the fields from Zoho SalesIQ so that you can actually map all the fields. Because right now, if I choose this random here, let's see, a new order form. I mean, this is just an idea. Okay, choose a customer. Let me see. Here it is. Conversion. Do you see all these fields right here from the Sales IQ? All these are the ones that you can map. So the order date could be potentially the start time of the conversation, or the end. Let's do. You can do when I completed the call. That begins the order date, for example. And then the delivery date. I mean, obviously, if you had all these fields in the Creator application, you could just map them directly one by one. And then once you're done, the trigger will be completed. Does that make sense? And again, all you need to do is, let's see, there's an email here. No email. But let's see. Owner email address. Yeah. You can keep adding fields. So, for example, on this, that it's like a text box, you can just keep adding information to the description, for example. And pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, Zoho Flow can actually create that logic, and you can push data from Zoho SalesIQ into Zoho Creator or any other Zoho application for that matter. So if you search for Zoho CRM, you can also, create a lead. Let's see. You can update data, send templates, create or update a contact, create or update a lead. So everything is available here, guys. And you can also have, access to other applications outside of the Zoho environment. So from Zoho SalesIQ, you could push to Airtable or, Amelia or Apify. There's a boatload of applications that you can actually, HubSpot CRM, if that's what you have, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty cool. Check Zoho Flow if you haven't done so, because it's going to give you access to a whole entire new world of application integration, and you can send your data from one place to another, and then work with that data to present it in very creative ways. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that we can continue making content like this. Thank you so much.